Hey guys, what's up? No Limit here, back at it again with another fishing video, and we're gonna be doing a micro fishing video. And the rod of choice is gonna be a Major Craft Finetail 6'3" rod, and we're gonna be running a size 500 Shimano Sahara. And our lure of choice is gonna be a little flex bug, a 1-inch flex bug, and a 164-ounce jig head. If you guys want to grab yourself some 164 jig heads and a 1-inch flex bug, I'll put it in the description below. All right, let's get to it. Oh, check that out. A little bass, baby. Look at that, a little bass. Check that out, baby. Check that out, baby. Little bass, man. Yeah, he engulfed. Hear that? He engulfed that, man, all the way down there. Shit. No problem. Easy fix. Yeah. You can do that. Oh, check that out, boys. Little small bass here. Check that out. Check that out. Little small bass. Little flex bug. Little 164 jig head. Release this one. Oh. Oh, look at that, boy. Look at that. Oh, shit. Got the... Are you the same little bass I just caught, bro? Dude, are you the same little one I just caught earlier? Check that out. Oh, whoa. Hey. Stop swimming through my legs, man. Hey, man. I'm running that way, dude. Chill. Oh, there you go. There you go. What is it? Oh, it's a little spotted bass. Oh, Lord have mercy. There's another one chasing it. Oh, Lord have mercy. Check that out, y'all. Little spotted bass right here. Check that out. Yazerskis. And the 164 jig head. The 1-inch flex bug. Killing it, baby. Alright, let's keep this going. Bass look like they're hungry tonight, man. Looks like they're hungry. Hungry. Hungry hippopotamus. Oh my god, bro. How did I miss that, bro? Come on. Oh, there you go. Little bass. Little spotted bass. You a spotted little bass? Let's check. Oh, you are a spotted bass. Kind of losing your little colorations, but it's all good. Check this out, y'all. Little spotted bass right here. There you go, buddy. Oh, check that out, y'all. Check that out. Check that out. What do we have here, guys? A little small pike minnow. Oh, check that out, guys. Oh, whoa. Okay, buddy. Check that out. Little small pike minnow on the. By the way, guys, if you guys want to check it out, you guys can get some lures. This lure I'm using right here is a 1-inch yellow flex bug and a 164 jighead, I believe. You can buy it on Etsy.com, FetBait. I'll put the link in the description. A little pike minnow on this. Alright, guys, that's gonna be the end of the little micro fishing. Stay tuned. No limit out, baby.